We got a good bit of ice last night. Made our barn look pretty. It was slippery as hell to drive in, but still it was kind of neat. These are our pine trees. Like when the wind was going, I mean, oh my gosh. I gotta watch where I'm stepping because it's mud still and ice. But this is about how much snow we got. I don't know how much, and I'm not willing to step in it to find out. Maybe I will for the shot. Woo! See how the pine trees, I mean, my goodness, look at all of them. They're like all bent over and down. And this comes to my front porch. So you can see what I came to. I walked right into the left one. Like hit me right in the face because it's right at my level, eye level. So it was really kind of funny. But no joking around, you guys. It's cold. It's snowy. It's icy. Be safe. They're still flooding around out there. So it's okay to take a look and behold nature's glory and God's creation. And if you're gonna do it, do it the safe way. Don't be stupid about it. Okay, so that's about all I got. Megan out.